Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying compatibility and grabbing the Jio Esim QR or activation code. This is essential because the phone and carrier exchange ID to provision service. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and open settings right arrow cellular right arrow add cellular plan. Scan the QR or enter the code manually. The phone reads the carrier profile and downloads it securely. Make sure to keep any physical SIM in place until activation completes. Now focus on configuration. After the profile installs, tap the new plan and assign a clear label so you recognize Jio in lists. You must choose which line is default for voice, messages, and cellular data. Selecting correctly avoids billing or routing mistakes. Then enable Wi-Fi calling and set data roaming preferences if you travel. If data fails, check APN values against Jio settings and update them. Changing the default data line forces apps to use the right SIM for internet access. Finish by restarting the iPhone to let the system apply changes, then make a test call, send a message, and browse to confirm data. If everything works, you can safely remove the old SIM profile or keep it as a backup. If activation stalls or shows no service, reset network settings to clear stale configurations, and if that fails, contact Jio support giving them your EID and IXID for remote provisioning. This ensures they can push the profile or troubleshoot carrier-side issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.